Hey everyone, today we're making a delectable salad for those who love salmon. We're making a pepper-crusted salmon salad with a homemade watercress dressing. It's delicious, it's fast, so give it a try. Start off with 2 salmon fillets. You can double the recipe as required. The dressing will be sufficient for 4 salmon fillets. Now we're going to add black peppercorns that have been crushed coarsely, around 1 to 2 tablespoons. Also sprinkle salt to taste. We're just going to press the salt and pepper into the salmon fillets on both sides. Cover and refrigerate for 30 minutes, and meanwhile we can prepare the watercress dressing. To a blender, add 100 grams of watercress, rinsed, along with 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley or cilantro that has been rinsed and chopped. You can use whichever you prefer. 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, 1½ tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of prepared horseradish. I'm using Heinz horseradish here. 1 tablespoon of olive oil and about 1 tablespoon of warm water. This helps to blend. Blend this all to smooth and then refrigerate the sauce as well till you're ready to cook the salmon. Now this sauce on its own is so good and goes well as a condiment with several dishes, and once you try it, you'll be making it again. Remove the salmon fillets from the fridge about 5 to 10 minutes before it's time to cook. Add 25 grams of butter and a tablespoon of olive oil. Once the butter is melted, we're going to add in those salmon fillets skin side down. Cook over medium-high heat for about 3 minutes on each side or till the desired doneness is achieved. I like to use a splatter guard because the butter and the salmon oils tend to spray quite a bit while cooking. So I've cooked the salmon 3 minutes per side, and we're just going to set that aside. For the salad base, we need 100 grams of butter lettuce and about 1 to 2 cups of watercress, rinsed, and I'm just going to tear it by hand into a bowl or a plate. Adding the watercress as well. Add a drizzle of olive oil. And then we're going to take those salmon fillets and we're just going to gently crumble them into large chunks. You can also add chopped onion and tomato if desired, and top with that delicious watercress dressing. So that's a delicious pepper-crusted salmon salad with homemade watercress dressing. Please give it a try and give me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the video. See you next time. Bye!